Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to get Electric Claw. But before I start, like and subscribe for more videos like this. First you need 300 mastery on electric fighting style. As you can see, I have 480 mastery. After you have 300 mastery, go to Floating Turtle on 3rd sea. The location is near this quest giver. Go to the other side of this wall. There will be this arc, enter it. Here you will find the previous hero. Talk to him and he will say go to mansion in 30 seconds. After you get to mansion in 30 seconds, come back to him. And he will sell you Electric Claw for 3 million belly and 5,000 fragments. I will now showcase it to you. X move. Z move. Then C move. This fighting style is good for PvP and combos, just aim properly.
Subscribe or I will hunt you.